Hello everyone, friends. Today we will learn how to cook a fish in this unique nature. If you want to join us, you can continue watching the video. If you are stressed out, a nature walk can make you feel much better. Even just water can calm people down. If you are going to go hiking one day and cook food, I definitely recommend that you do it by a lake. It is important to have a backpack with you. Also, if you have things like a knife, axe, saw in the bag, you can benefit from the blessings of nature faster. The forest provides you with firewood. If you go to a forest one day, you can see dry branches and tree leaves on the ground. You can light a fire using this dry wood without even needing an axe. You can even cook your food. We got enough wood from the forest. Now let's take these woods back to the lakeside. Now that the fuel is ready, looks like dinner time is approaching. You see that it is easy to break. Dry wood is a salvation that nature offers you. In natural processes, especially on sloped lands, streams flowing create small depressions or widenings along their paths over time. Water accumulates in these depressions and forms small ponds. What is interesting is that these ponds work like mini laboratories for nature, because these small puddles provide temporary but vital living spaces for microorganisms, insects, frogs, and even some fish species in the environment. Moreover, the organic matter accumulated in these ponds decays over time and acts as a natural fertilizer for the surrounding plants. In addition, these ponds slow down the sudden floods of the streams, prevent the surrounding soil from eroding, and feed underground water resources. In other words, even a puddle formed on the edge of a small stream undertakes a great task for the ecosystem. These grooves that the saw opens in the wood will do a great job. If you manage to open these grooves in two woods and squeeze the wood between them in a parallel way, it will serve as a great grill for you. Then you can happily watch the natural grill you made. Now he ties the wood tightly with rope so that the grill can still stand firmly after putting the fish on it. We put our fish on our grill. It really looks delicious even now. Now let's tie our fish to the grill firmly so that our meat doesn't fall on the embers and burn. It can cook wonderfully. Fish is one of the most valuable foods that nature offers us. Oily fish, especially salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for heart health. Omega-3s not only regulate heart rhythm, but also help the brain function more healthily, reduce the risk of depression, and even positively affect skin health. Fish meat is much more easily digested compared to red meat and contains high-quality protein. An interesting fact is that the flavor of fish varies depending on the water it lives in. While saltwater fish generally have a more intense flavor, freshwater fish offer a softer and lighter flavor. In addition, the eyes of a fresh fish are bright and transparent. This is an indication of its flavor and nutritional value. Consuming fish regularly is like investing in your body and pampering your palate. Of course, fish alone cannot reach its perfect form, no matter how beautiful its meat is. We need to use vegetables such as onion, garlic, lettuce, lemon, parsley. Let's chop these extra herbs together and continue to prepare this delicious dish. If I were to choose something indispensable to accompany the meal, I would definitely choose bread without a doubt. What could be better than a bread that you kneaded with your own hands and baked in nature by a lake? If what you are looking for is a nice meal, you should first look for effort in it. If I were to choose something indispensable to accompany the meal, I would definitely choose bread without a doubt. What could be better than a bread that you kneaded with your own hands and baked in nature by a lake? If what you are looking for is a nice meal, you should first look for effort in it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. I would be very happy if you could leave your thoughts in the comments. I will try to answer every comment as much as I can. Take care of yourself until we see each other in another video. Goodbye.